Hello everyone. Infertility is a health problem. It is affecting not only the older couples but the younger couples as well. So if you are one of the couples fighting against infertility, recurrent miscarriages or multiple IVF failures, then get a second opinion with us on 1st March in Shillong Children's Hospital, Boxay. So come and share your problem with us. Explore the newer fertility options coming up in the field of infertility. We are here to help you out. Thank you.
Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare ke Jylla apa Lyngdoh ke Jingsaphriang hapadang ke Drug Reduction Elimination and Action Mission ne ke DREAM berkinong elam ke All Faith Forum ke belalong hak arpo trek urempang Hajar Arpusan ke State Convention Center Shillong. Ulang bawala ke lami bon ke jingkenok ke DREAM ke program ke Sorkar ke Sudan tang ke Jingsaphriang. Mereka tenat apa ke mission ke shibun ke Sienjam Tehlakam ya ke Jingsaphriang jang udrak sa ke Jylla. Abakran kene kesngi uba apa Lyngdoh ulang bagi jing penlong kene ke jingalang kamdai bane ke daukti mereka long bane selok nang ban ra ke jinget trelang kum ke kenhuan banwat kilat kilenti ban Tehlakam ya udrak sa ke Jylla. Uba apa Lyngdoh uli tu ru bahu no opera ke senam Hajar Arpusau ke Sorkar ke Lathung ya ke kenhuan bekerpang jong ke Anti Narcotics Task Force ka bakentup ya kumbaso pungut ki pulet ke batrishtom ban penduk ya ke Jingsaphriang udrak sa ke Jylla. Ha ka bakene ke kenhuan ki pulet katrai tang ban Tehlakam udrak senrai ki leru iki wek wiki kamram jong ki pulet ula benrap ru banalor kene ke Jylla Meghalaya ke lapen thamai ya ka an NDPS syaka PIT NDPS Act ke belong ka an ke baklan ban kanglat ki bre baju beteng biang ban kai drugs ke Sorkar dangchan ke shim ru ik senjam ban thang yu drugs ubalayok ban kurup nalor kene ke Sorkar ke laboru ya ki scanner vehicle ha ki jaka bade bandrung syaka Jylla ban pet ngor ya ka kawan kinong kai drugs syaka Jylla bat pediang ru gijing terwa banwanra dagi kisau K9 unit kibala pentebet akane ke benta. Uba poleng do uluang syusyu bah gijing persyang bane trilang bagi dorbar snong ban Tehlakam ya Jingsaphriang udrogs. Ke Sorkar kala ai jingerap pisah syaka maulai tahun dorbar lengba ke dream ban ai jing sumar ki samlai ke belangop ke jing di drugs. Katanat kala ai jingerap ru syaki Village Defence Party ban kentiru ya ke jing siu naka pras pat tengka syaka lai hajar tengka wei unong ketkam Jangga Village Defence Party.
In the last 1 year, Meghalaya has changed the course from implementing the NDPS, the outdated version of the NDPS, to what we call now as PITS NDPS, which also has provision for preventive detention of repeated offenders. In the past, this has not happened, which is why the general complaint is that the same person who is detained and arrested, you can again see the same guy a couple of weeks later. Already 4 persons have gone under preventive detention under PITS NDPS, and the term of custody ranges from 1 year to 3 years. We have done it.
I think you will appreciate the fact that the frequency of detection has increased. 2, the amount of seized drugs has also increased. 3, the incineration of drugs has already taken place twice since the start of DREAM mission. Initially, we have kept aside 50 lakhs to begin with, but that is an amount that we can always, we can always increase depending on its demand driven.
To how many faith organizations?
Those whom we have called today, we have to be very particular in ensuring that only genuine faith organizations are able to get funding, to access this funding, because that process of filtration will have to be very, very tough and foolproof. We will start with about 10 sniffing dogs, along with trainers. So I have already approved the proposal, and this should happen sooner than the scanner vehicles.
So then can I put across the state or just in particular East Khas Hills, or where are you going to
Wherever it is demand driven, given the intensity of the incidence of drugs when they occur at hotspots, things like that.
So we saw it was a pinch of, it got to the nerves of the government. We felt like from the tone of your response to how the Faith Forum had mentioned that there was no follow-up. What were the suggestions given in the past that were not taken up by the government? Because one of them had mentioned that there were suggestions but never followed up.
People treat the government as a favorite punching bag. So there's nothing strange about it. But I had to be very categorical about what steps we have taken, because it's out of sheer ignorance that they say we have done nothing, whereas we have done so much in so little time.